Electric salt and pepper grinder set of 2. Automatic pepper mill, USB rechargeable, adjustable coarseness, one-handed operation. Ceramic Burr refillable, auto grinders with charging base LED light. Material plastic. Color rechargeable 2 PCs. Brand Jadue. Item weight 1.32 pounds. Operation motor automatic. Recommended uses for product restaurant, outdoor barbecue, picnic, kitchen. Is dishwasher Sofino. USB charging base Jetiway salt and pepper grinder set rechargeable. Type-C charging dock, it can be used to store 2 pepper and salt grinders. Adopting advanced charging technology, both for charging and storage. Only a USB charging cable is needed. No need to waste a lot of money on batteries. Adjustable coarseness, the electric salt and pepper grinder. Set easily adjusts coarseness by rotating the bottom clockwise to fine particles and counterclockwise to coarse particles. So feel free to choose the size of particles you need. A better kitchen appliance. Convenient one-handed operation. The entire grinder can be easily controlled by simply pressing the on or off button. Compared to traditional manual grinders, it frees your hands to do other things and stops working immediately when the button is released, allowing easy control of dosage. Wide range of uses can be used for pepper, salt, and spices. This electric salt pepper grinder set is suitable for all types of spices. Ideal as a seasoner for pepper, salt, pepper, cloves, herbs, and spice mixes. Ideal for kitchens, outdoor barbecues, and restaurants. Innovative design, the clear acrylic, BPA-free lid allows you to easily identify spices without confusion. With the LED light, you can easily see the amount of pepper, salt, and other spices you put in your food. The housing is made of sturdy ABS material without the risk of glass breakage and is extremely durable to use.